Hi guys, this is Schwaku7. Whenever I see a good exercise equipment bargain, I'll do a quick YouTube video on it. This exercise equipment bargain is on a exercise product that many of you may not be familiar with. And it's the Henny Attachment. And the Henny Attachment is essentially a strap type exercise tool. And it normally goes for much higher than what it's being sold for right now, which is $149. So it's $40 off its regular price of $189. And this is what it looks like. 60 inches of adjustable free swing Henny loop hinges. And this was devised by Brian Hennessy, a former NFL player, who also developed the Squat Max MD, which is outstanding if you like doing belt squats. It's arguably the best belt squat exercise machine on the market. And the Squat Max MD is currently on sale on Titan Fitness for $1,099.97. And the Squat Max MD is much more expensive than the belt squat machine that you can find on Temu. But this is one of the few pieces of expensive exercise equipment that I would highly recommend you buying, because it is far and away the best belt squat machine. And not only can you do belt squats and split squats and marches on it, you can also use the loading pin, which is easily detachable, to do many upper body exercises like presses and front raises and curls and reverse curls, deadlifts, rows, and so on. And you'll need a cable bar and a chain or a strap and some snap links, but those are inexpensive. And I've done YouTube videos on how to use the Squat Max MD to do upper body exercises. But I would highly recommend you considering buying the Squat Max MD, because it's actually that good, which you can buy at Titan Fitness. But this is something different because it works like a pendulum. You can use it for many different types of exercises. If you go to the website, you'll see many different exercise videos on what you can do. These are some of the exercises you can do with the Henny Attachment System, like the Henny squat rows, the Henny reverse squats, Henny hamstring curls, Henny leg extensions, Henny chest supported glute hamstring development rows, split jerks, offset presses, and many more exercises. And I highly recommend that you go to the Henny website and check out the many different exercises that can be done. Just go to the top of the Henny webpage and click on exercises. And the Henny Attachment Base Kit includes 2 steel 1 or 5/8 inch diameter Henny pins, 2 60 adjustable spring swing Henny loop hinges, 2 48 inch connectors, and 2 heavy duty carabiners. You can find YouTube videos on how to use hammock straps to do these exercises, like these two videos on YouTube. But for $149, I would just go ahead and buy the Henny Attachment System. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload new YouTube videos. If I find a good exercise equipment bargain, I will do a quick YouTube video on it. As always, thanks for watching.